Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be up to 40% more productive by maximizing your multitasking. Hi, I'm Reagan Ramm, the content engineer here at paularam.com. If you're interested in receiving more videos like these that teach you how to grow your network marketing business online, then just hit subscribe below and then click the little bell icon so you're notified every time we have a new video that comes out. Alright, so what is this secret multitasking hack that can make you 40% more productive? Well, it's not. As in, not multitasking. I know it's a little bit of a bait and switch, but hear me out. Here's the reality. Multitasking is actually impossible for humans. I hate to break it to you. I know a lot of women like to say that they can multitask and men can't, but the reality is the science says that no humans can multitask. Instead, what we call multitasking is actually switching tasks very fast. It's split tasking. In other words, it's kind of like a computer, if your computer only has one core, and that when you have different tabs, different windows, different programs running, it's not running at 100% on each one of those programs. It has to split its computing power amongst all those programs, and that's why a computer can really be slowed down if you have too many programs running, especially ones that take a lot of intensive computing. And you're the same way, your brain is the same way. So when you're doing all these different tasks, it's actually slowing down your cognitive function. In fact, there was a study done where they had two groups of drivers, and one group was actually high on marijuana, and the other group was multitasking, both these groups while driving this driving course. And they found that the IQ of those who were high decreased by 5 points. So obviously, don't do that. But the IQ of those who are multitasking actually decreased by 10 points. So this shows that you're actually more dumb when multitasking than someone who is high on marijuana. So you really don't want to multitask. On top of this, multitasking has shown to increase levels of stress. And if you know anything about stress, it pretty much can increase your chances of getting just about any disease. So really not a good idea to multitask. So this is a short video just encouraging you to stop multitasking and to instead focus on one important task at a time. And ironically, that's actually going to make you more productive because you'll be able to knock out tasks faster rather than them stringing out and only being a certain portion complete but never actually getting things done because your time is split between all these different things. So I know it's counterintuitive, but if you stop multitasking, you'll probably find yourself being more efficient and productive. So if you found this video helpful, leave us a like and feel free to share with anyone on your team whom you think might benefit. And if you want to be sure to get our future videos when they come out, just hit the subscribe button below. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye.